What's up, my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy, the Miggity Mac, and welcome to another show. On today's show, we are doing, for the first time on the channel, some pork steaks. Our 2 pork steaks. We got some potatoes au gratin, or scalloped potatoes, and then we have some spinach back here, spicy spinach. I'm gonna say my prayers, y'all, but we gonna get into this. Amen. I hope y'all can see the beautiful. I got it kind of set up today. But boom, y'all see that? Pork steak. Hope y'all like it. I'm about to put it down. I air fried these. Y'all know I love my air fryer. I got my Tabasco. We about to get into this. So how my snack wraps doing out there? Hope y'all doing well. See how this turned out. I haven't had pork steak in years. Some of the spinach. And these potatoes au gratin. So bomb. I'm really getting into cooking at home again. Because, you know, cooking at home, you're able to cook to your taste, your needs, and all that stuff. Dang, I should have some onions cut up over this spinach. Like my boy Lips do. Lately, as I've gotten older, my taste buds have changed and matured. I usually start every meal with onions, peppers, and all that. Onions and peppers and all that. Also, you guys, Coldest water bottle right here. Use the code Big Mac to receive 10% off of your order. They have this kind of bottle, bigger bottles, different colors. They even have pillows and stuff. So y'all, make sure y'all go to the Coldest water bottle. Coldest water. Link will be in the description box below. And get y'all some water. So we're gonna peek these up. We're gonna swirl a little bit, and then we're gonna sip a whole lot of it. And of course, I got water in mine. I'm gonna just go ahead and pick this up and get into it. You know, cutting it with the knife and fork, that's cool, but now you gotta pick it up. This is bomb too. So what I'm doing at my house is I got a lot of food in the refrigerator that needs to be eaten in the freezer. So it's Operation Clean Out the Freezer and the fridge. Meat that's been in the freezer for a long time. That's still good, but it's on its way. You know, just get rid of it. You ever do that where you just gotta get rid of stuff? So I'm gonna just be throwing together all kind of concoctions. Y'all probably gonna see green beans a lot. Got a lot of green beans, spinach, asparagus, some fish I gotta get rid of, you know. But yeah, I just got a lot of stuff I gotta clean out. Hope y'all enjoyed yesterday's video. I enjoyed it. Now, again, I didn't have the cheese, the shredded cheese to go with this, so I had to put like the American sliced cheese on top, and it was in the oven. It kind of burnt, at least the top did. So I just mixed it up, and you might see like a couple of burnt marks, but it still tastes good. See? Still tastes fine to me. I don't know if y'all can see my shirt, but I don't wear designer, so I ain't rocking Gucci. I got Moochie. This is Big Mac Gucci. And in the middle it says Big M Maximus. I just made this shirt. We don't pay for designer over here. My money could be used elsewhere. Even though my niece, she don't like my merch. She probably back on the side listening to me right now. But she don't like my merch. It's been years since I had a pork steak. So how did y'all like yesterday's topic? Hope y'all enjoyed it. Because today I got a new topic. I want just a quick little topic. Kind of goes in line with my shirt and designer and all that stuff. Everybody's going crazy right now over this Birkin bag. It's like a frenzy, a Birkin bag frenzy that's going on. Like a trend where everybody's getting a Birkin bag for their birthday, for their significant other. Everybody's buying their significant other a car. It's nice to buy your significant others things. However, that money really can be used in better places than on a bag or on a car. Like, are your bills paid off? Are you debt free? You can take that money and be debt free with it, instead of buying a Birkin bag. Now, if you debt free, if you got $1 million plus in the bank, and everything else in financial order, great credit score, and all that, then by all means go buy a Birkin bag. But if you don't have all that, then you don't need a Birkin bag. Now, that's my opinion. A lot of people are just very flashy. And they gotta have it either way. But it's just like the new iPhone. New iPhone coming out. I have the last iPhone that they came out with, and I bought it basically for the camera. It was like either I buy like a Canon camera or upgrade to the new iPhone where I can still do everything inside the phone. Record, edit, and upload through my phone. So I chose the phone. And that's the only reason I got it, for the better camera. Before that, I had an iPhone 6 Plus. So from iPhone 6 Plus to iPhone 11 I believe, that's like 5 years. So I had the same phone for like 5 years, 5, 6 years, or 4 or 5 years. Because basically all I'm gonna do is talk, text, surf the web, and get on the same sites I've been getting on. And doing YouTube. There's nothing else they could possibly put on the phones that make me buy it at this point. So, you know, I know people gonna spend their money. How they gonna spend their money? It is what it is, but you gotta be smart with your money. You gotta make your money work for you. People really should live below their means. Save for a rainy day, so you don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. If you're young and you're watching this, I advise you to go to community college, get as many scholarships as you can, so you don't owe a lot on student loans. And the side of college is really for you, because it's not for everybody. I mean, obviously, if you want to be a doctor, lawyer, and all that stuff, a scientist, engineer, architect, school is important. I mean, yeah, or you want to learn a trade, but you kind of got to make your own decision on that and be mindful of the debt. Don't get into credit card debt unless you have to. I know during these times it's hard, but if you can steer clear of it, steer clear of it. Pick these up, y'all. We're gonna swirl a little bit. And we're gonna sip a whole lot of it. Ooh, that crunchy part. So y'all let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts on the Birkin bag car buying craze that's going on. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. And if you made it this far, leave a cheese and potato emoji in the comments down below. Y'all, that's it for me. I ain't gonna keep y'all much longer. Shout out to all my new snack wraps, all my day ones, and everybody in between. Thank y'all for tuning in, showing up and showing out. I have another video for y'all tomorrow. Trying to give y'all 5 days a week, 4 to 5 days a week. So y'all to come and tune in tomorrow with your boy. Until we eat again, my snack wraps. And I know I got spinach somewhere in my teeth. So I ain't gonna smile. I ain't gonna smile. But until we eat again, you guys, peace.